Hi, this is the original Josh with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers, and I'm introducing to you the General Pump model TSF2021 pump with the B31 gear reduction assembly. The TSF2021 has a maximum pressure output of 3,600 psi and a maximum flow rate of 8.5 gallons per minute. The heavy-duty gear reduction assembly that we select for the pump is rated for a maximum of 31 horsepower and takes a 1 1/8 inch shaft. So you can put this engine on a variety of different size engines to maximize your performance for your cleaning application. The gear drive on the pump runs the pump at an average of 1,750 RPM, which gives you great performance for pulling off of tanks and can pull a maximum of 9 feet of vertical lift. The orientation of a gear drive assembly lends itself to being easier for oil changes and preventative maintenance, as well as lending itself to a better footprint for truck and trailer builds. The pump and gear reduction both come with oil already installed, so there are shipping plugs to seal both the gear reduction as well as the pump transmission. So before you run the system, make sure that you install your vented oil cap for your gear reduction and the dipstick vented oil cap for the pump. In the hardware pack, you also find the bolts to bolt it to the engine as well as the spacers. And in most engines, when you install the pump, it won't sit flat against the engine crankcase. So in that case, you want to make sure you use the spacers so that you don't stress crack the flange. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us at dirtkiller.com. You can also find pricing there. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This is the original Josh with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers. Let's kill some dirt.